Hey crafty pandas! We're back at school with some new custom accessory ideas to help you get through the day. Discover new ways to transform everyday items into school supplies and other DIY school hacks. Jessica is a bit bored during her class and can't stop doodling in her notebook. Stop it, you're making me sleepy now. Oh wow, our first page looks like a kindergarten mess. Definitely not what we want in our journal. Jessica just got an idea for her notebook. How about a downsized chalkboard? We're about to get messy. Cover your table with baking paper. Cover the front binder edge with protective paper tape. Add a solid layer of chalkboard paint, starting with horizontal lines. Let it dry for a minute and then add a second layer painting vertically. Remove the safety tape and discard the baking paper. And you're done! Grab some chalk and fill it up with sketches and/or school notes. The best part about chalk? It can easily be removed with a wet cloth. Jessica can now draw as much as she wants without messing up the actual pages of her notebook. Emily is using her nail file in class, but little does she know, it's not allowed. Well, at least not in front of the teacher. Luckily, she has a spare one laying in her pencil case. But how can we make sure the teacher doesn't confiscate it again? Using a ruler and pen, mark up your nail file with measurements. Add some numbers for an extra visual. That was fast! Emily can now continue to use her nail file and pretend it's a ruler during class. Now she'll be using her ruler more than ever, just maybe not for math. Emily and Jessica are working on their homework. Emily wants to put a touch of lip balm, but she's all out. What a bummer. Jessica's bendable eraser sure looks cool, but wouldn't it be much cooler if it was just a little sturdier? Wait a second, maybe this lip balm case doesn't have to go to waste. Squish a kneadable eraser and form it into a lipstick shape. First, you'll want to clean the lip balm out using a cotton swab. Really dig in there. It's going to take a few minutes. Now just insert the eraser inside the hole. Voila! You can now use your redesigned lipstick to erase all your pencil mistakes. Get ready to mess with your classmates. Let's put the top back and give it to Jessica to try out. I wonder if she'll notice the changes we made. Try it out on a paper, silly! Wow, it actually works! The lip balm container keeps the eraser intact. Meanwhile, I think it's best we stick to the real lip balm instead. Madison had another sleepless night and can't stay focused. She is about to pass out in class. Girl, you can't sleep in class. At least not like this. The pile of notebooks might be a bit too low for your head. I wish there was something comfier around. That pencil case is also not going to help you out either. And a lunchbox is definitely too hard for your chin. All this discomfort doesn't change the fact that she's about to pass out in class. Ouch! Might as well go back home and take a nap, Madison. Jeez, ouch, that looks really bad. The dog destroyed Madison's soft toy this morning, and cotton wool is scattered all over the place. Madison just thought of an idea on how to put this stuffing to good use. Let's empty this Ziploc bag and then stuff it with this leftover cotton wool. Now to just place this new padding into the front pocket of our backpack. Zip it up and we're done. Madison will no longer have to worry about comfort because she'll be able to grab a quick nap anywhere. Well, as long as no one's watching. Sweet dreams, Madison! Hey Madison, welcome back to class. Grab your exercise book and put that pencil to good use. Madison is still thinking about the amazing time she had in Paris. Darn it! How did this happen? Don't tell me all the pencils got broken in my bag. You should probably protect your pencils by buying a case, or even better, come up with an idea to make one yourself. Emily's makeup brush roll sure looks like it does a great job of keeping her brushes secured in one place. If only we could do something similar. Grab a long piece of felt, then use a ruler to mark a dozen small lines. Grab some scissors to make some cuts. Using both of the horizontal holes, place all of your colored pencils through. Roll the fabric into a big burrito. Place a single drop of hot glue in the center and attach a ribbon. Add a decorative ribbon for a visual twist. The ribbon will keep the pencil case intact. Tidy up and you're done. Madison is back in class, this time with her custom DIY pencil roll, which almost looks like waves of a rainbow. Even Emily is impressed by Madison's creativity. Do you mind if I borrow one? Emma has once again messed up her class schedule and has disturbed the class. Slink quietly into your desk, girl, and pretend none of this happened. Unfortunately, Emma is about to realize she completely messed up her schedule and forgot about her math test today. Ay, ay, ay! Back at home, she realizes that her system of sticky notes are messy and impractical. But now, all of that is about to change. Emma can't allow herself to miss class anymore. Let's grab our old comics picture, flip it and remove the cover, replacing the art page with a newly printed calendar. Put the cover back, flip it, and you're all done. Glass is the perfect surface to mark all of your important dates using an erasable marker. With the help of the calendar, Emma won't have any more schedule mix-ups and will be ready for every test. Oh look, we got here a bit earlier. Just enough time to chill. Hey crafty pandas! I hope you enjoyed these school hacks. Let us know which of them you're going to use next to the comments down below. If you want to learn more, feel free to check out our older videos. Hit the subscribe button and ring the bell to stay tuned for more.